Do you guys wish there was a better way to organize all these tabs across the top of your window so that you can keep your anxiety down? Well, let's check one out. I was in a meeting recently, and the participant that was sharing her screen had like 60 tabs. Yeah, I counted them. There were 60 tabs open across one of her windows, and she had 4 different windows open, and it just looked like a lot of, even for me, I was getting a little anxiety. So I went back to one of my old bags of tricks, and I was thinking about doing organized tabs. So how these work are, it looks like there's only 3 tabs open, but I have some tabs buried inside this tab that I created. So I can condense the tab or expand it and then access any of these tabs. So what I was thinking is those sites that we use on a daily basis that you would like to open up that we just can't access anymore with the settings with Google, there's a way that we can get around it, and I'm going to show you. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is open up a window and then open up all the sites that we want to use on a daily basis. Just for the interest of time, I'm going to start with a window that has School Tool, my Google Classroom, my email, the Watertown City School District homepage, and a tab for my Google Drive. Okay, I want all of these to open in one tab every time I open my Chrome browser. So I'm going to start on one of the tabs. I'm going to give it a right click, and I'm going to add tab to new group, and I'm going to call this Daily Tabs or Daily Files, whatever you'd like to call it. And when you're in here, you can actually change the color into something that's appealing to you. And you can see the little red outline that goes around the tab. Now, right now, only School Tool is associated with this tab. So when I condense it, only School Tool will disappear. If I want these other tabs in here, I simply drag it in here until I get the red outline on the tab. And once they're in here, you can also reorganize them, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to drag all these in here. They will all now be inside my daily tabs. So there's 5 tabs, but when I'm working and I don't want to see all 5 tabs, I click on the daily tabs and it will condense them to only show you one. All 5 of those tabs are stored inside that one daily tab, and then whatever work I wanted to do outside those tabs, I could condense it just by clicking on it, expand, condense, and then start working after that. Okay, so now the question is going to become, what happens when my computer resets, or what happens when I close out my window, just like this. Now it's closed, right? No worries, we're going to get it back. I'm going to open up a new Google Chrome window. No fancy voodoo magic, I'm going to show you right from the start. You can see I opened a new Google Chrome window. I come up here to the 3 dots, I click on History, I hover over to 6 tabs, and the very top option says Restore Window. That's going to restore the window along with that tab file that I created and pick up right where I left off. So you don't have to worry about turning your computer off, logging off, or restarting. That's how you can always bring those tabs that you spent organizing back, okay? And you can certainly change the colors, personalize it however you want, and edit it. But if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out. Just trying to help you organize those tabs across the top of your screen. Have a good day.